Have you ever seen a museum dedicated entirely to buttons? In the small German town of Schmölln, an entire industry revolutionized how we fasten our clothes. Today, we explore why this specific town became the global capital of button production and how that legacy is preserved today. To understand this museum, we must first look at Schmölln's unique geography. Located in the Badix region, or mountains of Thuringia, the local geology was perfect for manufacturing. The region possessed a specific type of stone called steinus, or stone nut, which was incredibly hard, yet could be carved with precision. This specific stone became the foundation of a massive industry. Unlike metal or plastic buttons, these stone nuts could be produced in high quantities with consistent quality. This allowed Schmölln to dominate the global market, supplying buttons not just for clothing but for industrial machinery and even military uniforms. The museum was founded by local historians and enthusiasts who realized this industrial past needed protection. They dedicated themselves to collecting artifacts that tell the story of the workers, machinery, and the economic boom this single product brought to the region over many decades. Housed in a historic building, the exhibition features a diverse collection of photographs and tools. You can see exactly how the stone was shaped by hand, highlighting the transition from manual craftsmanship to industrial mass production that defined the town's economy for generations. Over the years, the institution expanded its educational programs to ensure the public understands this complex history. It serves as a hub for tourism in Thuringia, offering visitors a tangible connection to how a small geological resource transformed a local village into an international industrial powerhouse. Ultimately, the museum exists because Schmölln's identity is inseparable from the button. Without this unique stone and the industry it spawned, the town would not be known today. It stands as a monument to a specialized craft that clothed the world. So there you have it, a whole town built on a single fastener. This deep dive into Schmölln's industrial heritage shows how local resources shape global history. What other small towns surprise you with their specialized industries? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more educational explorations.